Ready to taco about a delicious dinner? Let's dive into making the perfect beef tacos at home. Start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Toss in 1 finely chopped onion and sauté until it's nice and soft, about 3 minutes. Add 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for just 1 more minute. Now, here's where the wonder happens. Add 500 grams of ground beef and cook until it's beautifully browned, breaking it into crumbles as you go. If there's any excess fat, drain it off. Next, spice things up with 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon each of cumin and paprika, half a teaspoon of oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper if you like it hot. Don't forget salt and pepper to taste. Pour in 1/4 cup of water or beef broth and let it simmer for 5 minutes until the mixture thickens up a bit. While that's cooking, warm up your taco shells according to the package instructions. Now comes the fun part. Assembling your tacos. Spoon that flavorful beef filling into each shell. Top with shredded lettuce, cheese, diced tomatoes, salsa, and a dollop of sour cream or guacamole. Garnish with fresh cilantro for that extra pop of flavor. Serve these beauties immediately with a squeeze of lime on the side. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share for more tasty recipes.